Hi everyone. How are you today? Hopefully everything are going fine. In this video we will bring you some news update about 2023 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate that already introduced by GMC through their website. However, there is some valuable preview and information regarding with 2023 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate that we curated and visualized from carandriver.com, which is written by Caleb Miller. We believe the information will bring some new insight for you before you decide is the 2023 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate suit for you or not. Before you continue watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and hopefully you enjoy the video. The GMC Yukon Denali is already one of the blingiest SUVs on sale, thanks to its glitzy chrome grille and well-appointed interior. But now GMC is turning the Yukon's opulence up a notch with the 2023 Yukon Denali Ultimate, a new range topper that brings subtle exterior tweaks, nicer interior materials, and even more technology to the already luxurious Denali. You might expect every inch of an even swankier Denali to be coated in chrome, but in fact the Denali Ultimate gets a more understated look, with much of the trim bearing a dark invader chrome look. The GMC badges feature a darker finish, but GMC did leave some trim in a brighter coating, such as around the windows, for contrast. The Denali Ultimate also gains unique, 22-inch, 7-spoke wheels. The biggest upgrades are to the interior. All 3 rows of seating are wrapped in richer leather with plated stitching, and the front thrones are 16-way adjustable and equipped with a massage function. The dashboard features pulled-out wood trim with a topographical map of Mount Denali etched in, which is echoed on the seat backs. Aluminum trim completes the look. The Denali Ultimate is also packed with features. There's a new 18-speaker Bose sound system with speakers built into the headrests and an optional rear seat entertainment package that attaches screens to the back of the front seats. But the real highlight is the optional Super Cruise driver assistance tech, which includes automatic lane changing and a setting designed for towing. The 2023 Yukon Denali Ultimate comes with a 6.2-liter V8 or an optional Duramax 3.0-liter turbodiesel, with both engines mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Magneto-rheological dampers and an air suspension also come standard. The Yukon Denali Ultimate goes on sale this fall. GMC has yet to release pricing, but given that its pickup truck sibling, the Sierra Denali Ultimate, carries a $20,000 premium over the standard Sierra Denali, we expect the Yukon Denali Ultimate to ring in close to $92,000. That's the information that we can bring to you about 2023 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate. Theirs will be newest update once the company officially sell it on the market. Thank you very much for watching this video and keep this channel growing. We are nothing without you. See you in the next video and always keep healthy.